Hi everyone, this is Bernadette and welcome to Bernadette's Kitchen. Our dish for today is okay, we're gonna make the cranberry jelly. So I have a 1 pound of cranberries, fresh cranberries here. I wash still, and I'm gonna put some uh, 1 cup of brown sugar. I use brown sugar. If you want prepare to say even to make a like a white sugar, you can use that too. It's granulated sugar. So 1 cup of brown sugar, and I use put like a 1 cup of water. We're gonna caramelize first. We're gonna cook this first, the cranberry. Then I'm gonna blend it after that. So let's put on the stove. I'm going to cook in the high. So let's okay, now it's boiling. See, you guys, it's popping. This looks good. I'm gonna get one really soft, so I'm gonna blend. It's popping. I love those sounds, popping. It's like a popcorn popping. Yeah, I just add 1 more cup of water for this. So I'm going to mold this here in the cute little bun cake pan. So we're gonna put a spray, so oil spray, so it's easy to come off those. So now it's, look at this, it's getting soft. It's really soft now. Okay, then a medium heat. Yeah, you see guys, it's already soft like this. You can see. I'm going to put in the blender. Only like maybe 5 minutes until it gets softer. This cranberry. I love to make my own cranberry jelly. Last year I made those cranberry like salad. It's really good too. Okay, this is soft now. See how red is it now? Now I have to put in the blender. Okay, I put in the blender. I'm gonna blend it. I really wanna have a smooth color. Make sure your blender is glass. So put in the So I have this gelatin, 1 pack of gelatin. I think that's good enough. Now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strain. I'm gonna do strain those so I don't have those skin. Look at the color, so red, super nice. Okay. Okay, look at this. It's smooth already. Now put in a little low heat, and then I'm gonna grate some a little bit like a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest. Yeah, it's nice to have a blend like that. Yeah. Okay. Just wait a little bit. It looks good. The color looks good. So it's getting thicker. Then later on, I'm gonna add those gelatin. I think because I don't have those little ones separated, so maybe I'm gonna make only like 4 or 3 of those. I like those little one because it's like so nice when it's like put in the table. Little stick that. Oh yeah, it's almost ready. Oh, it tastes good. Yeah, it's better than in your can jelly. Oh, it's thick now. Let me try. It's Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm gonna put some pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, and yeah, it's ready. So I'm gonna put my gelatin. Sprinkle this one. So easy to make, and it's seasoned, and you know you can control the sweetness too. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Now I create the bubbles. It's so nice if you don't make a bubble, so because it's so smooth when you don't have a bubbles. So I got a problem to the other mold, so the one envelope of gelatin wasn't enough, so it doesn't set. So the thing that I did is I put in the stove again and I add one more envelope of gelatin, and I put in this silicone mold, like a cupcake mold, and it's so pretty easy to unmold like this. It's so pretty too. So like this, so it's set really good. Now I have a pretty mold up. This one, guys, so pretty gelatin. So that's only I did this. Just run your knife in the corner of this thing. So see. So you get the perfect shape of this cranberry jello or gelatin. Super easy to make. You just need to get the perfect mold. It's easy to unmold too. It's the using a silicone mold. It's kind of like this, guys. Perfect color. And this one, you guys see it? It's very cute. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for cooking with me, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys see you on my next video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification down below to notify you my new upcoming video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Bye. Mommy.